Now this is called as perfect straight to the point analysis. I'm very happy to all those fellow traders who watched my video and also did their own analysis and now are making money. Hello guys, welcome to The Wolf. So let's get straight to the point. So right now I'm on the Bitcoin daily timeframe chart, and as my previous viewers know, how I was talking about the parallel channel in which the Bitcoin price was range bounding. So now the price went straight up to complete the target of parallel channel. And also it broke the parallel channel by forming a double bottom pattern, which is a bullish pattern, so this is indicating that the price can continue to go higher. Now let me show you why I will wait for a long trade and not FOMO. Here on the 4-hour time frame, if the price breaks the $31,840 level, yes, the high of the previous big green candle, then only I will enter a long trade on Bitcoin. Keep an eye on the $31,840 level, the blue arrow I have marked, because after that only the Bitcoin price will continue to go higher and my target is at $33,000 level. To all the new viewers who recently visited my channel, let me show you why I'm saying that $33,000 level as the target. Well, because it is a very important level, which will now act a resistance for Bitcoin. Now if you clearly see, I have drawn a pink box which is acting as a very important zone for Bitcoin, and yes, you predicted right, the high of the box is the $33,000. So that's why I'm saying that if the price breaks the $31,840 level, then only there will be chances of a continuation to the upside till the price reaches $33,000 level. But beware guys, because don't trade in FOMO, and always for right opportunity to trade, or else you all will get trapped by the big players, and will result in loss. And I'm saying this because still there is no confirmation, and the price can reverse back down also. Here have a look at how the Bitcoin price is in an uptrend forming new higher highs and higher lows, which can result the price to form a new higher low. That means the price can go down, and not only this. I hope you remember the head and shoulders I warned you all about. Still the price has not invalidated it yet, so be cautious. Now let me show you the important analysis that no one else is talking about. So as you can see, the Bitcoin price is forming a parabolic curve support at the weekly time frame, which is acting as a very strong support for Bitcoin every time the price respected it, indicating it to be a strong support. Now if see clearly, the price is right now at a very crucial level, because either it can straight go up, or has to come down, resulting in breaking of this curve support T, which can lead the Bitcoin price to fall heavily. Because it's a rule M that the price always move upwards, by forming of impulses and correction, the price can never go straight up, it has to come down for a retest. Now guys, before showing you my perfect analysis trade on Ethereum, make sure to follow me on Twitter. This can be a lot of beneficial for you, as you can get real-time crypto updates on what's happening in the crypto world. And also you can get updates on my trades, that where am I going to take trade. So if you want more knowledge about the analysis and crypto, do follow me in Twitter, link in description. Okay, so now, at last, let me show you my Ethereum trade, and on what basis I took the trade. So right now, I'm on the daily timeframe in Ethereum, and as you can see there is a rising wedge forming. Well yes, the rising wedge pattern are bearish patterns. But only when they give a breakdown. Well, the price has not given a breakdown. So according to the pattern, it was an indication the price after coming down, and getting support T, will again go up to its next high target, and not only this, but there was a falling parallel channel also forming, which got a breakout. The price got breakout from the falling parallel channel, with a perfect retest confirming to me for a perfect long trade with its fist targets at the top of the falling parallel channel, at approximate $2,135 level. Well, I informed you guys about this trade, and I got in that trade, at the exact time I informed you all about. The price of Ethereum went up, and came down heavily, but my stop loss was at a perfect level according to my analysis. So the price flipped to the upside, without wiping my trade, and now it is heavy profits, guys. Congratulations to all those who listened to my analysis, and also did their own analysis, and took their trades, and enjoying their profits now. Well, now talking about the target about this trade, so the first target is at the $2,135 level, the top of the falling parallel channel, M, and I will book some 40% to 50% profits there. But I will still be long on Ethereum, and my second target will be the new high of the rising wedge forming, as I already told you. And guys, if you wondering where to take trades like this, or where do I do my crypto trading, so you can go below this video's description and you can. Where you can find the best crypto trading exchanges I use to trade, and you can get free gifts for yourself by just making an account with the link in description. As you can see, you can get $30,000 gift on Bybit if you create an account with the link in description. And also you have many more options, like you can get free $100 gift on Binance by just making an account and depositing. So after you click the Binance link from the description, you just need to create an account and get free $100 for yourself. And you can also start your awesome crypto journey for free, so don't forget to go Tati description. My Twitter link is also in the description, and you can find many gifts for yourself from the description. Okay, so thank you guys, I hope you gained some knowledge through this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe my channel. See you all in the next video.